Now, this is only in the opposite direction it should be because I'm usually doing it myself.
Gotcha.
So, okay. So your hip's doing really well, it looks like, huh?
Yeah, it's still bothering me a little bit, but some people say sometimes it takes a year before you're 100%.
Yeah. But you're not walking with a cane or anything?
The only time I use my cane is for balance if I'm walking through deep snow down to the mailbox or something, but otherwise,
Good, good.
I haven't been.
Well, you know, you say you have a little bit of pain. If you kind of step back and look at the big picture, you became bionic just 3 months ago.
Yeah, I kind of have to talk myself into that because I figure.
Well, people, in my experience, almost everybody who has their hips done, they do great.
Yes, on my other one I did fine. I'm hoping this one will be too.
Did they do the minimal incision one or the open one?
The minimal.
Okay, great. Yeah, there's a couple guys in town doing that are doing a great.
And this is Hiller. That's over.
Mm-hmm.
He did my other hip too, so.
Yeah, not everybody's a candidate to have that kind of surgery.
That's what they told me, yeah.
But the ones who can, I've seen really quick recoveries.
That's why I'm wondering why I still.
Because they did major surgery on your joint 3 months ago, you know.
Thank you.
Just keep it.
I need to hear that.
You got to keep it in perspective.
Yeah, it still hurts a little bit in here when I twist my leg to get in the car and stuff like that, and then I think.
Are you still doing some PT?
Not really. He told me I only had to do it once a day,
Well, maybe it's time to go back and just double check.
Yeah,
And
well,
say-
this afternoon I'll talk to him.
Oh, you've got the appointment.
That's my
okay.
appointment, so
Okay.
it's a no x-ray and,
Okay, good.
yeah.
Now, do you get to see him or do you see his physician's
I
assistant?
saw him the last time. I went in for one checkup shortly after, and then now this one, and it's with him, so I
Great.
hope I see him.
Yeah.
He was quite funny. He was he says if people would only use their canes, and he said instead they're going like this, and I said, and he says, take your cane and walk, he said, until you know, people are afraid to use their cane, he said.
Well, it's a pride thing too, I think, for a lot
But he
of
was
people.
really, he was funny.
Yeah, I don't know him personally. I know him by reputation, and I've heard wonderful.
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
him.
and I've seen a lot of his patients after surgery who have done marvelously well. Yeah. Okay, so this should hold you for the next couple months.
Mhm.
Thank you for letting us video.
No problem. I'd love to be a celebrity. Whatever. That's the best I'll ever do.
All right, thanks. Some of the pressure off?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just the last few days.
Last few days it's been really painful to walk on?
Yes, I've been
Okay.
annoyed with it.
You know when it's time to come in, huh?
Oh, yeah, when I was due here, when was I due here last? When was it snowing like a devil?
Last week, Wednesday,
That
yeah.
was
Okay.
it, Wednesday.
Yep.
And I had a call and, because I'm a coward.
Well,
No, I hate the snow. I hate it, really do.
yet you moved to Minnesota.
I love it here for that. That's why I came for the ice fishing, you see. I left Orlando for the ice fishing. No, I need,
I don't believe you for 1 second.
no, but what I need now is a psychiatrist.
To help get you through the winter?
Big pardon?
To help get you through the winter?
No, just to help me get through anything. When I'm at the state in like that, yeah.
You're
Well, it
funny.
took me through the day. Yeah. Yeah, otherwise, bored, silly.
Yeah, have you gotten out of here at all this winter?
Can't hear you.
Oh, have you gotten out of here at all this winter?
Yeah, I got away, I told you I got away for the month of, the middle of December to the middle of January. I was down in Florida. And I found the miserable weather there, same as here, only just a little warmer. You know, the sun never came out. Came back, found myself with pneumonia. You know, it was great.
Aw.
A great time, yeah. But I'm going back down Saturday. I've got to, with Richard, I've got to go down with him. We got to settle some business deals down in Palm Beach with his aunt. And then I would go up to Clearwater for a few days. Then we'll be back up to about 5 or 6 days.
Well, that'll be nice. It should be
Get
warmer.
away, just, hey, anything.
Yeah.
Change the scene and temperature. Speaking of temperature, I'm driving up here, I look at the thermometer in the car,
Mm-hmm.
but it's reading the outside, and it's reading -2.
Yep.
So I figure it can't be that bad. It's the breeze that's coming through.
No. Because your car thermometer doesn't measure any wind chill.
No,
Because wind chill only affects
no.
alive things. All right.
Whatever it is,
Does that feel better now when I press?
where you press hard. I still feel a little bit.
Little bit?
So,
I've gotten about as much out as
Yeah,
I
I
can without
understand,
making
I
you bleed.
understand. Yeah, you gotta
Okay.
CYA, you don't wanna,
No. I mean,
you don't wanna put too much. Yeah,
and, okay, so now, how's that?
a little better, yeah, a little bit.
All
Yeah,
right.
it's okay.